Hey friends, so I'm at Collinshill Park and I just caught this little guy. I don't want to use him for bait, but I do want to kiss him. He is little. Open your mouth. This little guy. Yay! Okay, so yeah, I just turned on the camera. I've been out here for a little while, but I just wanted to see what I could do. So here I am. But I will come back to the video if I catch another one. Okay, I got him. So the fish, there's some small fish over here, Bream, and they're biting. So I'm just trying to catch another one. I seen a couple swimming down in there, so I know that they're biting, and they're stealing my worms. So hey friends, okay, so now I'm ending the video, and I will post either I'll do the video of the fish that I caught, or I'll just do it in pictures. I'm not sure. I have to look at it and see what I can come up with. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy and stay tuned for my next video. And I have 99 subscribers. Yay! So I'm getting up there. But I want to thank y'all for watching and for subscribing. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye.